Let's continue with the front end. And right now we go into my bikes. We have the login. You can enter your email, your password, and now you have also the register where you can create an account. And this localhost 3000 port is the front end. So now we want to open the front end and the back end at the same time. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna open a new terminal. And before that, we're gonna use the get. We're gonna use the get at space that, and we're gonna get, let me see, it's gonna be commit is okay dash m, and then you can put whatever name you want. For example, we can just put in, I don't know, front, like that. Let me see. Yeah, you can just press enter and yeah, create mode, all this stuff. Okay, so right now we have two terminals. This terminal is running the front end, and this new terminal that I open it is in the full stack. So well, when you are doing this, the get add, get commit, make sure that you are doing it from the full stack, not from the front end. Okay, so right now, well, let me see, we're gonna go into the package.json. Yeah, we can close this one. We're gonna go into the package.json, and here we have the start, the server, and the client. Okay, so we're gonna have a new one here, and let me see here, we are gonna have a dev, and let me see, call it, let me save it. But first of all, right, okay, so here I am in the root, in the full stack, so you can do it from here. Let me just clean it up with CLS and make sure that you are in the root, not in the front end. What we are gonna do is npm install, and it's gonna be dash uppercase letter D, and then we're gonna install concurrently, like that. We're gonna install it. Let me see it, and you can, yeah, you can install that, or you can use two terminals, one from the front end and the other from the back end. Let me see. Okay, and it's in the dev dependency, so that dash uppercase letter D is for the dev dependencies. Okay, so let's clean it out with CLS, and we already have it here concurrently. Okay, so here we're gonna have this new script. Okay, so we're gonna have here, it's gonna be, let me see, yeah, concurrently. Make sure that you type it right, and here let me see the scripts that we want to run. In this case, we're gonna be using the backslash, and we're gonna use the npm run, and it's gonna be server, like that, npm run server. Then we're gonna put in the backslash, and then double quotes, space, and we're gonna use again backslash, and now npm run client. Okay, npm run client backslash, and then double quotes. Let me see. So, okay, so we are ending with backslash and two double quotes. Okay, save it. Okay, so we are in the root right now, and here we can put in npm run dev, and let me see. Okay, so we can close this one, and server started on port 5000. So let me do it like that, and let me see how many ports I only have one, so let's do it again. So npm run dev, so let's close it and let's see. Let me see, server start on port 5000. Okay, so let me see, we are still in this is the front end. So as you can see, the front end is still running. So we have the register, you can register your account, you can log in, and okay, so let's run it. So npm run, and it's gonna be dev, and this would open the front end as well as the back end. The front end would be port 3000 and the back end would be port 5000. As you can see, we have the port 5000. If we go here, I already have open MongoDB, but if we go into login, okay, we have, this is the front end, we have register and we have login. So the front end is working. So now let's check in the back end. So you can check it out here in the browser with, you can, instead of go to localhost 3000, you go to localhost 5000. But if we go into login into the post, so we have localhost 5000 API users login. So I'm logging as PGS1234, so that's fine. As you can see, I have a 200. Okay, so the backend and the port 5000 is running, and the front end is running in the localhost 3000.